Imagine typing a sentence and watching it become a real video. No camera, no editing, no stress. Today, I'm breaking down the best text-to-video AI tools you can use right now, including a fast, powerful tool called RecCloud Text-to-Video that I'll show you how to use. Let's get started. Text-to-video is simple. You write a description, and the AI builds the video for you. From explainer clips to TikTok videos to ads and educational content, this technology eliminates the hardest parts of video creation. It's blowing up because it saves time, removes skill barriers, and lets anyone create studio-quality videos in minutes. Brands love it, creators love it, students love it. It's fast, affordable, and honestly, a little mind-blowing. Now let's dive into the top text-to-video tools, starting with the one that's perfect for everyday creators. If you want something fast, simple, and creator-friendly, RecCloud's text-to-video tool should be your go-to. It's clean, automatic, and perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Why RecCloud stands out? RecCloud gives you super fast generation, a beginner-friendly layout, auto-scene matching, built-in narration voices, a huge media library, and clean, polished output that works for every platform. It's built for creators who want great results without complicated editing. How to use RecCloud. Here's how to use RecCloud Text-to-Video. To create your video, simply visit RecCloud Text-to-Video. Type your script or idea and choose your preferred video style. Then click Create Shots, followed by Generate. Once it's done processing, you can download your video instantly and start using it right away. And that's it. Your video is done in no time. Next up is Runway Gen-2, the best choice for cinematic and realistic AI video. Runway creates stunning, movie-style visuals with detailed lighting, motion, and texture. It's amazing for B-roll, concept art, and short film shots. It gives you advanced controls like motion brush, camera movement, and stylization. But keep in mind, it's slower, requires a paid plan, and can be overwhelming for beginners. How to use Runway Gen-2. First, head over to Runway and set up your account. Once you're in, type out a clear, detailed prompt describing exactly what you want. Then simply hit Generate and let the AI do its magic. When it's done, just download your finished video and you're good to go. However, there's no direct text-to-video button. You need to go through Chatbot first to activate the app. Runway is perfect for realism, but it takes patience. Third on the list is Pika Labs, the best tool for stylized, fun, and TikTok-friendly videos. Pika creates anime, futuristic, surreal, and artistic scenes with ease. It's fast, it's creative, and it's perfect for flashy TikTok content. You can generate loops, short scenes, and stylized visuals that get attention. It's not as realistic as Runway, and it's better suited for creative projects rather than professional business videos. How to use Pika Labs. First, head over to pika.art and sign in to your account. After that, open the Create section and pick the Text-to-Video option. Type in a detailed prompt that describes exactly what you want. Generate your video clip, then save it. Or upscale it if you're planning to post on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Pika is fun, fast, and incredibly creative. Which tool should you use? If you want fast, easy, social-ready videos, RecCloud Text-to-Video wins. If you have patience and want Hollywood-style realism, Runway Gen-2 is your best match. If you want anime or stylized visuals, Pika Labs is the one for you. Text-to-video AI is the future. No camera, no editing, just imagination. If you want the fastest and simplest creation experience, try RecCloud Text-to-Video. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.